Russian troops are being sent into battle in Ukraine armed with shovels, according to UK officials. One reservist described being neither physically nor psychologically prepared for the brutality of arm-to-arm combat, the Ministry of Defense said. In their latest intelligence update, the ministry said at the end of February, Russian mobilized reservists were ordered to assault a Ukrainian concrete strongpoint armed with only firearms and shovels. They said the shovels were likely MPL-50 entrenching tools being employed for hand-to-hand combat. The ministry said, "Little changed since it was designed in 1869. Its continued use as a weapon highlights the brutal and low-tech fighting which has come to characterize much of the war." One of the reservists described being neither physically nor psychologically prepared for the action. There has been an increase in close combat fighting in Ukraine, the ministry said. This is probably a result of the Russian command continuing to insist on offensive action largely consisting of dismounted infantry, with less support from artillery fire because Russia is short of munitions, they added. Meantime, Russian Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu met with Eastern Military District Commander Colonel General Rustam Muradov in western Donetsk Oblast amid extensive Russian losses around Vuhledar. Evidence suggests an increase in close combat in Ukraine, the British Defense Ministry says. The ministry blames the Russian command, saying it continues to insist on offensive action largely consisting of dismounted infantry, and less support from artillery fire because Russia is short of munitions. Last month the ministry said it was likely that Russia's efforts to capture areas of the Donetsk region held by Ukraine were being hamstrung because of a lack of munitions and units required for successful offensives. NATO officials have said Ukraine also faces a shortage in ammunition, and the member nations are developing long-term plans to keep Kyiv's weaponry loaded. But, nevertheless, Konstantin Zinchenko, an official with the so-called Donetsk People's Republic, says Ukraine's armed forces have used HIMARS twice to hit the town of Vonovaka with missiles. Zinchenko added that this happened during a mourning ceremony in the memory of Vladimir Zoga, the Sparta battalion commander who lost his life a year ago. The strike is reported to have hit a building nearby the ceremony. According to unofficial information from Ukrainian side, Russian HQ was hit in occupied Vonovasi. The number of casualties is unknown for now.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.